That is what we call in the South a stink bug. You can't pinch them. If you pinch it, it's gonna stink. What are you doing, little dude? You trying to hide from Yappy? Oh, he done fell. Where'd you go? He's down there somewhere. Oh, look, there's another bug. Here, you go be free. Sorry, Mr. Spider, but you don't get to eat that one. You can't have it. What up, gang? Hey, man, I got a great one today. I don't know about for you, but I got a phone call from a customer that I've dealt with this year, actually, first time, in an apartment complex. See, apartments. And they had a really cool beehive in a porch overhang back in the spring. Had a really great experience with them, and, well, the story is, one of the tenants called, and they had just come back in from out of town, and they said, we got bees all up in our house. They're everywhere. Send maintenance. Well, maintenance came down, take a look at them. Come to find out, unfortunately, they're not honeybees. Let's go back here and check it out. Uh-oh, there they are. Can you guys see them? Oh my goodness. I'm pretty sure that they're going to be in this space because I know how they built this. Everything out here is just a big hollow box. The upper part's got concrete floors. There's a plywood structure, I believe. It could be metal. And then there's a void about as deep as what that vinyl is. So there's a pretty good little gap in there. I'm expecting that the yellow jackets went in the hole. They've created their hole, and they're coming in right behind in the gap and getting right into that same void space that the honeybees did the last time. They got 3 holes up there. I'll show you here in a minute. And they coming and going. But man, look at this. That might be a queen right there getting into her house. So we'll have to go in there. There's another one. Well, somehow or another they're coming through the vinyl. I'll drill a hole and I'll look in there to make sure they're not in, but there's a chance they could be in the wall. So now I got to go through the process of finding them, confirming where they're at before we do anything. So we get two main types of yellow jackets in the South. We get an eastern and a southern. And I'm going to have to refer to the Hornet King and ask him to remind me which one was the nice ones. Was it the easterns or the southerns? You can tell by the size which ones are which, and by the attitude with what I remember he said before. I ain't got a lot of attitude, so I'm good with that. Let's go get the borescope and see what we got. Let's see what little borescope reveals. Turn the lights on. We look up in here. Boom! We got paper, boys and girls. We got paper. Never attempt this at home without a bee suit on and gloves and everything else. I'll get it in a minute. Second thing, we're actually making this video with a GoPro Hero 10. Just got it in the mail today. Now, I've got a couple of 9s, and I normally film with them, but hey, we're trying out a 10, so hope you're liking the footage on that one. Probably get a real good shot of me getting stung in the face before it's over with. All right, that was fun. Hope you enjoyed that audio. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Not. Y'all be nice to Yappy, please. Ooh, they don't look happy. That's interesting. So, that's where they're coming in at, which puts them right there. And there's concrete above. Ooh, there's a queen. There's a queen. That's a queen. Hey, girl. Ooh, that one almost got me. Oh, there's another queen. Interesting. They got little white faces on them. I gotta ask the Hornet Queen, what does yellow jackets with little white faces mean? This might be a problem. Want to fly in right there. All right, it comes in, and then they come up over here. Ooh, ooh. Waiting. Well, there we go. Got a queen. So I was actually on one of these about a week ago, and while we were watching it, this big orange one comes out. Now Yellow jackets are, well, yellow, okay? But this bigger one comes out with an orange coloring on it. I've called Randy 628 Dirt Rooster because one came out, it kind of took off, and this thing popped out like 7 or 8 of them, just one after another. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know if they were separating to go make a new colony somewhere. I don't know what they were doing, but there was a bunch of them. All right, so everything's going great so far. Not as big as what I expected, but GoPro Hero 10's hanging in there. We're gonna get back up in here and see what kind of mess we've still got going on with as far as numbers go. We'll go ahead and knock them down and just kind of get things done. That's pretty cool. So this is the other side of where they were building. I wonder if they were trying to take the paper off of this. I don't know. They get pulp from paper and wood, I guess, from what I understand. And they start building their home inside of somebody else's home. That is so cool. I mean, it's just flaky. Weird. So cool. It was right on top of them. Right on top of them. Alright, so my numbers are majorly knocked down from up in there, which is exactly what we wanted to see. There's still a few coming and going, but nowhere near anything to worry about as far as my end. So we got everything done. We're going to go ahead and get cleaned up. We'll let maintenance treat that with some type of a insecticide, repellent, whatever they want to use. And we're about to call it a day. So.